Hi, I'm back with another story. This one is called Snow Dog, Go Dog. What is this dog doing? Can you tell? Yes, he is on a sled. Let's open the story and see if this dog really goes sledding. Tinka is a dog. He is a play dog, a yay dog, a loves to romp all day dog. A fun dog, a run dog, a flurries have begun. Dog. Look, he's running, sticking his tongue out, maybe trying to catch some snow. A snow dog, a go dog, a running to and fro dog. Running to and fro in the snow. I have a dog. You guys, I think most of you have seen my dog if you've been watching these stories. And he loves to run and play in the snow. A where dog, a there dog. A hiding polar bear dog. Oh my goodness, he does look like a polar bear with all that snow around him. A hill dog, a thrill dog. He is sledding down the hill. A wibble wobble spill dog. Uh-oh, a wibble wobble spill. I think that means they are going to crash. Let's see. Let's turn the page and see if they crashed. A glide dog, a ride dog, a body sledding slide dog. They did fall off the sled. And he kept sliding on his belly. Silly dog. Tinka is a chilly dog, a silly dog, a wants to romp with Millie dog. Found a friend, Millie. Are Millie and Tinka alike? Do they look alike? Well, Millie is white with brown spots. Is Tinka white with brown spots? No, so they are different. Different colored. A play dog, a stray dog, a wander far away dog. He wanders far away. Come back, I bet his person is saying. Oh no, come back. A chase dog, a race dog. They're playing chase. A lost in a strange place dog. Oh no, go back, Tinka. Tinka is a sad dog, a feeling bad dog. A wanting what she had dog. Wanting his friend and his person back, his owner, his human. A worry dog, a scurry dog, a searching in a hurry dog. Here he is. Do you think he will find his person? Oh, there he is. A joy dog, a boy's dog. A here's your favorite toy dog. They went and got their car and his favorite toy. I bet it squeaks. And it got his attention. And he knew that was his toy and his human. He looks happy now. A chomping dog, a stomping dog, a having fun and romping dog. He's happy. He found his person, his human. And he even got a what? a dog treat. Tinka is a greet dog, a treat dog. A being home is sweet dog. He's happy to be home. A rosy dog, a dozy dog, a hugged and fed and cozy dog. And look, there's Millie in the window. The end. I hope you guys liked that story about Tinka. It was a great one. Have a good day. Bye.